As 2024 rolls in, the automotive world continues to evolve, with Superminis remaining a popular choice for drivers seeking a compact, efficient, and stylish vehicle. These small cars offer the perfect blend of practicality, affordability, and driving pleasure. This year, several models stand out, offering cutting-edge technology, impressive fuel efficiency, and a driving experience that rivals larger vehicles. Let's take a closer look at the best Superminis to buy in 2024. The all-electric innovator, Tesla Model Q. Overview: Tesla's entry into the Supermini market, the Model Q, has been a game-changer. It combines Tesla's renowned electric vehicle technology with the agility and ease of a Supermini. Key features: boasting a range of over 250 miles on a single charge, rapid charging capabilities, and Tesla's advanced autopilot system. It's perfect for both city commuting and longer journeys. Why it stands out: the Model Q brings the electric revolution to the Supermini class with flair and innovation, making it a top choice for eco-conscious drivers. The sporty contender, Ford Fiesta ST. Overview: the Ford Fiesta ST has long been a favorite in the Supermini segment, known for its sporty performance and responsive handling. Key features: the 2024 model features a turbocharged engine, advanced suspension for sharper handling, and a sleek, aerodynamic design. Why it stands out: it offers an exhilarating driving experience combined with practical features like ample cabin space and an intuitive infotainment system, making it a top choice for those who love driving. The Urban Warrior, Mini Cooper Electric. Overview: the Mini Cooper Electric brings iconic design into the modern era with an all-electric powertrain. Key features: it offers nimble handling, a surprisingly spacious interior for its size, and a distinctive style. With a range ideal for city driving and quick acceleration, it's both fun and practical. Why it stands out: this model is perfect for urban dwellers seeking a stylish, eco-friendly vehicle that's a blast to drive. The practical innovator, Honda Jazz Hybrid. Overview: the Honda Jazz Hybrid is known for its practicality and reliability, now with added efficiency, thanks to its hybrid powertrain. Key features: it features a spacious interior, excellent fuel economy, and Honda's eHEV hybrid system that offers a smooth, quiet driving experience. Why it stands out: it's an ideal choice for families and individuals looking for a dependable, economical, and environmentally friendly car. The Luxury Mini, Audi A1 City Carver. Overview: for those who want luxury in a small package, the Audi A1 City Carver is a standout. Key features: it boasts premium finishes, advanced driver assistance systems, and a comfortable, high-quality interior. Why it stands out: this car merges the convenience of a Supermini with the luxury and technology typically found in larger, more expensive Audi models. The budget-friendly star, Hyundai i10. Overview: the Hyundai i10 continues to be a great option for those seeking value without compromising on quality. Key features: it offers an efficient engine, a user-friendly infotainment system, and a surprisingly spacious interior for its size. Why it stands out: with its affordable price tag and low running costs, it's perfect for first-time buyers or as a reliable second car. The Supermini market in 2024 is more diverse and exciting than ever. Whether you're looking for electric innovation, sporty dynamism, luxurious comfort, or practical affordability, there's a Supermini that fits the bill. These cars prove that small can indeed be mighty, offering big appeal in compact packages.